literally give all my fidgets.
For all your fidgets,
What? No! Hey everyone! This is part 2 of fidget trading. Here are all of my fidgets, and here are all of hers. Let's get started. I'm gonna put up this stress ball called a Quirky Carrot by Jaru Toys.
ooh, I really like this.
Okay, what do you have to offer?
I'll put up this.
That? Could you please add?
I'm just gonna take that back.
Okay, then. Okay, I really want that Pop-It. It looks so fun. What do you want for my pile? And is it even up for trade?
It is up for trade, and I would like that.
Oh, this is my favorite Pop-It. Oh, fine.
And that.
And this? But these are my 2 favorite things. Fine.
I totally scammed her.
Now these 2 Aaron's Thinking Putties. Deal.